We're just get SMK3 looking at one of the products the students here built, which is a shape cutter. The students built this by hand, every part, and then assembled it together to create an amazing boat.
Thank you.
So this product is called Bubut. And the name of the product is from Yasuba, SMK 3 Mataram, and it's a very efficient product which is made by plants with these very brilliant seedings. Yeah, and this is for cutting branches and leaves, and then the products can be used for many other applications. So it's very great product to have and very efficient.
Yeah, thank you very much.